Hi children, in Maths for second standard we have completed unit 1 geometry. Now we are going for next unit numbers. Okay. So the next unit is numbers. Just we recall numbers from 1 to 99. Write the missing numbers in the chairs of the auditorium. Children, we have learned this 1 to 100 in previous class itself, no? In first standard itself we have learned these numbers. You know it very well. So take a classwork note. So write these numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. The next one is predecessor, successor and in between numbers. This is new one for you. So we are going to see what it is. Okay. So keywords. What it is? Predecessor, successor and between. Predecessor means before. Successor means after. Between means that is in between. Okay. So come let us see. So our journey, happy journey, railway station. So here see more animals are standing in line for booking the tickets. Okay, tickets. Let us see who is standing before the lion. So see where it is. So lion is standing at the 4th place. So before the lion means donkey. Oh, donkey is standing before the lion. So before means predecessor. Okay. Next, who is standing after the panda? So who is standing after the panda? So panda is standing at 9th place. So after panda means it is horse. So horse is standing in 10th place. Okay. So after panda means horse. So after means successor. Predecessor means before. Successor means after. Okay. Then who is standing in between elephant and donkey? So elephant and donkey is standing. So in between who is standing? See here. Oh, squirrel. Squirrel is standing in between elephant and donkey. So if it is before means predecessor, after means successor and in between means that is between. Okay. Do you know that? Do you understand? Come let us go for next. Student, I am giving example for predecessor, successor and in between. I am giving example. Okay. We are doing this as by experiment. Okay. Come let us see. So see here, what is this? Student, what is this? This is bat. Okay. So in Tamil, vowel. So in English it is a bat. Okay. Next. Student, what is this? This is snake. Okay. Students, what is this? This is scorpion. Okay. What is this? Scorpion. In Tamil, tail. Okay. So it is standing in first place. Okay. First, and this is second and this is third. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Children, I am asking question, you have to say. Okay. So who is standing before the snake? Who is standing before the snake? Yes, bat is standing before the snake. So before means predecessor. Okay. Next, who is standing after the snake? After. After means scorpion. So scorpion is standing after the snake. So before means it is standing before. முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது. After means after, standing after. So இதுக்கு பின்னாடி. Okay. So before means predecessor, after means successor. Okay. So next one. So who is standing in between of bat and then scorpion. So who is standing in between of bat and scorpion? Yes, snake. So snake is standing in between. So before means predecessor, between means in between, center. Okay. Next, after means successor. Okay. Any doubt? This is before, between and after. Otherwise predecessor, between and successor. Now we are going for next. Write the predecessor before, write the successor after, write the numbers in between. So predecessor or before both are same. So like that, successor or after both are same. So write the numbers in between means center. Okay. So see here they are given numbers. They are given 72. So before means 71. Okay. So they are given 63. Before means 62. So 20 means 19. Next one, write the successor. Successor means after. So they are given 37. So after 37, 38. 49. After 49, 50. 40. 41. So like that you have to write. Okay. Write the number in between. In between means center. So they are given 25, 27. What it will comes between, in between? So 20. Say the numbers. 25, 26, 27. So 26 will come in between. Okay. 38, 40. So what it will comes? So 39, 38, 39, 40. 69 and 71 they are given. So what have to write at in between? So what it will comes? So 69, 70, 71. So 70 will come in center. Okay. Children, next one is 2.2 grouping. So you have to group the objects. If they are asking, what they are asking, have to group that. Okay. So in a tailor shop, see it carefully, have to notice all this. Okay. So in tailor shop there is lot of cloths hanging, then sarees are hanging, then they have iron more cloths, and they have so many balls in the bottles, and they are having thread in another rack. So the tailor man is standing here and he has scissors in his hand. See here, he has scissor in his hand, one scissor and another scissor on the table, and tailoring machine is on the table. So he is having tape in his neck. So like that you have to notice all this. Okay. Next one, group the words that begin with the same letter and count them. First, group the words that begin with the same letter. First you have to group the words begin with the same letter. First letter A. If for example, see here, first letter B. So you have to group the words starting with B. B-A-T, bat. See here, where is B? Another B. Beer. So B-E-A-R, beer. 1, 2. Next, see where? Book. Yes, B. 3. That's all. Okay. So starting with letter B, they are having 3 words. Okay. Next, bat, beer and book. Next, cake. See, cake 1, then car 2, then C 3, carrot, cat 4, 5. So beginning with let us see. You are having 5 words. Okay. Next, beginning with A, how many words are there? You have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 words are there beginning with letter A. Okay. So like that you have to group the words. Okay. See here, they are given ant, app, apple, axe, 4. Beginning with B, bat, beer, book. So how many words is there? 3. Like that, cake, car, carrot, cat and cow. So how many words is there? 5. So like that you have to group this. Do you understand? This is grouping. Grouping means you have to group beginning with the letter same. Okay. Next one. Group the words given below by their starting letter. Count and write them. So you have done before, no? So like that you have to group these words starting with same letter. So this is do by yourself in your home. You have to take a rough note. You have to write the names and write the column like this, L, M, N, and you have to group the words and then you have to count and write here. Okay. First you have to group the words and write the names here. Then after writing, count it how much is there. After counting, you have to write in the blue box. This you have to do by yourself in your home. Okay. See here, this is activity. This activity you have to do by yourself in your home. Okay. So see here, let us classify and count. Take the materials such as beads, neem seeds, tamarind seeds, pebbles and mix them in a tray. You have to mix you have to mix all these in a tray. Okay. Ask the student to group them. So you have to group one by one. For example, if you are taking neem seeds, you have to collect all the neem seeds in another plate. Okay. So like that you have to collect tamarind seeds and have to keep it separately. So like that, pebbles you have to collect and keep it separately. So after separating each and everything, you have to count and say how many is there. Okay. You have to count. For example, if you are taking neem seeds separately, you have to count the seeds and you have to say how much is there. So like that each and everything have to separate and have to count and say the number. Okay. This you have to do by yourself in your home as activity. Okay. So far we have seen what predecessor, successor and in between. Predecessor means before, successor means after, then in between means center. Okay. Next what we have seen? Grouping. So grouping we have seen. So students, please practice this in your home. Okay. Get well in that. So if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.